Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you an open invite. So this is a monthly challenge that is hosted by my dear friend Nadia. Her channel is DIY with Nadia. If you don't know her, you need to go check it out. She does lots of amazing DIY crafts, thrifting. She got lots of hauls. Her channel is just wonderful. But we have been friends for over a year. We became friends from through YouTube, but we are really good friends, and I was really happy and honored that she asked me to be her co-host for this month. So Nadia is hosting a monthly challenge that is called Foodie DIY Challenge, and she's picking for each month is different theme. So for this month, the theme is donut. Isn't that cool? I can't wait. I got a couple of projects in mind that I can't wait to create just for this challenge. So for now, let's talk about the rules. Okay, rule number 1, have the food of the month in your home decor project. Rule number 2, mention and attach our channels and the playlist in your video. So one more time, the host is Nadia and her channel is DIY with Nadia, and the co-host is me, Elena, and my channel is Elena Jenkins DIY. Rule number 3, mention Foodie DIY Challenge somewhere in your title. Rule number 4, which is the most important kinda, upload date is September 6th at 4 p.m. Central. And the last rule is, I guess that is the most important, to have fun. I can't wait to see what you guys are created, and because the watermelon challenge prior months just blow my mind. I can't believe it, how many cool DIYs were created from the watermelon. So now this month is donut, so let's get crafted. Don't forget, everybody's invited. It's an open invite. Also, the playlist will be available at the time our video will air out. It will be in my description box and in Nadia's description box for the video. And also we'll post it on our community tabs, so you can just add your video if you are participating. If you have any troubles, you can email, Instagram, either one of us, and we will be happy to help you to add your video to the playlist, because sometimes I know in the personal experience it could be frustrating. But that is all for today. This is a short video. I invited all of you again to participate in this wonderful Foodie DIY challenge. The theme is donut. The upload date is September 6th at 4 p.m. That is all for me. I will see you guys on September 6th at 4 p.m. Can't wait. But for now, bye.